the single pipe?
It's an ISR.
Yo. A single pipe going on. You said this shoots flames?
Shoots pretty massive flames.
Cool.
See my Instagram,
yeah. EQ35 low. Woohoo! Cool. Shoots flames. Yeah, that shoots. Yeah.
That's like the perfect level.
Woo!
Doesn't kill my ears.
Wow. I can't wait till my G does that. That's friggin'. Wow.
Yeah, I'll see if I can run it up the road real quick right here.
Cool.
Oh my god,
Ah, that one brake. His one caliper is locked. Yup.
I need that.
I need that so. Yes.
That echo in the background.
That is exactly what I want.
Getting the same exact exhaust, resonated touch pipes. I might go to the retune where he went too long ago.
I mean, I got the exhaust that I'll put on there. Yo! Damn, man, he's got me wanting to go single pipe if that's the deal.
All that air going in one place instead of.
Oh, we can do custom, by the way. We can do custom. So, custom single.
Yeah.
Like I said, me and Nick are gonna have to battle once he gets his custom.
Oh yeah.
That was. God damn.
Like that, like high pitch.
Bop, bop, ba-da-da-da. Yo! I don't need a German car anymore. I just need to do that. Yeah, I just need to.
It smells like fireworks.
Right? That thing is awesome. Woo! Caliper.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Yo! Awesome. Awesome work. Woo! Yeah.
Probably gonna go to them.
dude, well worth it.